Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Many of you guys ask me in the comment section below when you should replace timing chain on BMW guys with an N51 N52 or N53 gasoline engine. Stay with us guys and we'll explain what we experienced here at the shop, what we read on the forums, and based on our colleagues and workers in that sphere guys, what they experienced with that engine, and we'll explain our expertise guys. Now guys, every single car that we get to the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy a new chain, components, any parts for your BMW, check out the links in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing guys, that will work on multiple BMWs with that N52 engine that has been used in BMW 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X1, X5, Z4, and even in Europe can be found in 6 and 7 Series BMWs as well. I think in Russia they use it even more on 6 and 7 Series. So this is guys, your timing chain, right here. So you can see we have the valve cover completely removed. Completely removed guys. Valve cover. This is your timing chain. This is the timing chain guides. You have one here, one on the other side. They're connected, one underneath, and you will have your tensioner guys. The timing chain tensioner. It's right here. This is your timing chain tensioner. That big bolt. Right here. That's actually your hydraulic timing chain tensioner. Now guys. It's hydraulic tensioner, so it's supposed to get the slack out of that car. We have 34 or 37,000 miles on this engine. Now we have another BMW with a newer engine, which is not N52, it's actually N20 engine. Timing chain failed at 80,000 miles, and we have another one that failed at 70-something thousand miles. But that was due to the weak timing chain guide. From what I understand, it was something, the design wasn't quite right. But on N52 engine guys, I read on the forums, even mechanics that worked at BMW, their whole life they've seen on that engine only 2 times failing timing chains. I haven't heard about one with a failing timing chain. Some people replaced it at 100,000 miles or 120,000 miles. I've seen BMWs with that engine guys, with that N52 engine with close to 300,000 miles on original timing chain component and still running strong, so practically bulletproof. Now, there is always a chance for something bad to happen. It really depends on how the engine was driven. It depends how often oil was changed, because if you don't change the oil enough, the chain can stretch to the point that the tensioner cannot get the slack out of it, and that can actually result guys, that can result into loose chain, and that's when things will go bad. Also, when you don't replace your oil, or you drive your car in a really hot climate, sometimes the oil may get warmer, and that guide, plastic guide, may actually crack, break, and that can result into failure. But as I said, from talking to people, I heard only twice happening and not very often at all guys. For instance, on N20 engine, they're actually trying even to issue a recall or something like that because of that timing chain failure, which was very common before 2013 or early 2012-13 models. So I'll definitely guys, what I'll advise you, open the the valve cover, check the condition of the chain, make sure it's not loose. If it's a tight chain, make sure the tensioner, hydraulic tensioner, has enough tension on the chain, and everything should be good guys. But again, consult your BMW guys manual when you need to replace timing chain. But I told you that I've seen multiple ones approaching 300,000 miles on original chain, but that doesn't mean that yours will last that long. So always consult BMW specialist at your local dealer as well and see what they think for that as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.